Okay, now I've got the engine and transmission mocked up. They're all sitting where they need to be. Cross members are in place. As you can see, that transmission cross member is in. I've got it where it needs to be. Everything's nice and lined up. This will be the motor that I end up building for it. It's got, it'll be 30 over. And we're in the process of trying to find some tubing and get the headers made. When I get the block set where I want it and make sure we got enough room for everything, we're going to start building headers. As you can tell, it looks a little funny, but because there's no flywheel in there, there's no crank either. It's all just empty. Makes it a little bit easier to deal with, not having all that extra weight to contend with. But that's basically the engine and transmission configuration. Get a little shot here of the front end of it. You can look straight through out the back of it. Can't see it back there, but there is a nose of the transmission sticking into it there. There's even a torque converter hanging back there. So, but I took a bunch of weight out of it so it was easy to handle. So that's what it looks like right now. That's what we're down to. Have to start getting some parts together and do a little machine work on the motor, and we'll be ready to start assembling that and get it pulled back out of there and get the crankshaft set back in it and get it done, and then we'll set it back in and put a torque converter and a flex plate and get all that hooked up and see where we go from there.